Welcome to this episode, where we're about to run our very first Java program using IntelliJ IDEA and Maven. Last time we set up a new Java project using Maven and named it Java Course. We chose Maven because it simplifies project setup and dependency management, making development smoother in the long run. I think first we should understand the project structure. Our project follows the standard Maven layout, which includes IDEA, target, git ignore, our standard project, and IDE config folders. Also, we have SRC that includes main and test. Main. This is where our Java code lives, and test reserved for test code. And also we have pom.xml, the file that defines our build and Java version settings. Before we dive into running code, let's take a moment to understand pom.xml. It's Maven's instructions manual for our project. Here's a quick breakdown. Group ID helps organize our project in a unique namespace. Artifact ID, it's our project name. Version indicates it's still in development. And here we've set Maven to compile and run our code with this version. Now let's take a look at the code that was automatically generated when we created the project. Here, under the Main.java, we have Main.java. Here we got a simple Java program. What's happening here? Package. Organize our file within our project structure. We have a main class, and inside main class, we have a main method. That's entry point of our program. This line prints a greeting message for us. And also, we have a for loop that counts from 1 to 5 and displaying numbers on the screen. If you're unfamiliar with classes or method, don't worry. We'll cover those concepts in the upcoming videos. Are you ready? Let's run our first Java program. You just need to hit the Run button or press Shift plus F10. That's it. Watch your code comes to life. Congrats, you just executed your first Java program. Thanks for watching. You can find all the course materials on my GitHub. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Your support is appreciated. See you in the next episode.